Dynamo installed. Yeah, here's Revit, here's Dynamo. So let's dive into this. This is going to be like 10 minutes long, I think. So I'm going to set my timer so I don't overrun on that. Let's go. Okay. Um, Right. So when you first load it, this is we obviously don't have CBDM tools. Here's C, here's D. It's not there. So you need to download it off the Digital Toolbox site. I can't demo that for you at the moment because it's up in approval. I think sort of into October it's going to be there. It's going to be available for you. But once you got that, you need to save it on your computer somewhere. It doesn't actually matter where. Just like I don't know, save it in C, for example. So actually, I'll tell you where I saved it. I saved it in my documents. So like here, when you just go to documents, and I just copied it into here. Basically, it's just got a load of like nodes in it. You don't need to open these. Don't mess with them, and they won't mess with you. Just copy that link because we're going to paste that into Dynamo. That's select it, Control C. Go to packages, settings, sorry, and go to manage node and package paths. Yeah, settings, manage node and package paths. You want to click on like add another one and just paste that address in. So you're saying to Dynamo, when you check for like nodes, sort of a library of nodes, check in that folder, and there's a few bits and pieces in there. So now we've got CBDM tools. If you try to use it straight away, I suppose I can labour a point. If you try to use it straight away, it ain't gonna work. Yeah, it's all crashed. The reason for that is it has a few dependencies. It actually has three dependencies. One is an external piece of software called Radiance. That's going to sort of do the lighting calcs for you. That's a validated software. And the other two are actual Dynamo sort of plugins. One is so Dynamo can display text. The other one is so Dynamo can cope with meshes. Why it doesn't do that anyway is a conversation for Autodesk. So what I've made for you is under helpful, if you go to check node, check all packages are installed. If you look at actually, and if you go to node output text to notepad, yeah, if you put that in to help you out, node output text to notepad, plug that in, and this is this is what it's telling you. So the Radiance is not installed. Dynamo plugin Mesh Edit is not installed. Dynamo Text is not installed. So we need to get all those onto the computer. Let's start off with the two Dynamo ones, Mesh Edit and Dynamo Text. Everything is free. So and the two Dynamo plugins you don't even have to ask permission for. Simply go to search for a package and type in the name of the one you want, or let it sync with the server first, right? And then just type in meh. No, what? Oh, well, why would I care? Type in mesh. Yeah, come on, Dynamo, you can do it. Type the word mesh. Yes, right. Mesh edit tool. Go. Yes, I do want to install it. That's why I clicked it. Yes, it uses Python. Come on, just install the damn thing. Right, now you need to go to type the word text, Dynamo Text. So these are not third parties. These are made by the Dynamo team. I've all the other sort of, it has no other dependencies. I've custom coded everything, but these ones are C based, and I can't replicate those. Well, I could have a go, but it wouldn't be very good. Although mind you, the state of Dynamo Text is I could probably do a better job myself. Right, so that one's downloading. Yep, so we've got all that. So what you'll have to do now is shut down Dynamo and Revit and reboot it, so it kind of it's all recognized. I'm going to just pause the video so you don't have to pointlessly wait for me to do that, and I will come straight back to you. So I'm going to go and shut down Dynamo, Revit, and reboot the application. Hello everyone, welcome back. So I've just shut down Revit and Dynamo. I've rebooted it. So let's go back in and let's take another look at CBDM tools. Helpful. Check all packages are installed. And what have you got to say for yourself, young man? Text. You can just look at the bottom here, but maybe it's easy if I just plug it in like that. Right. So it's saying so. Mesh Edit is installed, Dynamo Text is installed. So it'll start to do things now, but it will not be able to do the whole point of using it, and that is Radiance. So you need to request and get installed Radiance. So what you need to do is go to I thought I'd already done this actually. Oh yeah, I have. Yeah, if you go to like my like my software and just type in Radiant. Oh no, you don't do it that way, do you? Um, go to oh, no one's stupid here, are they? Basically, you just go to like my IT or whatever it is, and you just ask for Radiance. Come on, this is not difficult. There. So you need to get Radiance installed. Once you've got that, once it's installed, it's going to be it will appear on your hard drive in the C folder. You don't have to. I'm just showing you. Here it is. I'd changed the file extension just so my computer could not find Radiance. I already had it installed. I just changed the file thing so it would be invisible to the package. So as far as CBDM tools is concerned, Radiance has just appeared on the computer. I'm doing this from home, and this is IT support. This is my life when I'm working at home. It's just computer constantly falling, constantly getting stuck. Right. So let me sort of refresh that package. Let's take a look at that now. Radiance installed, everything's good. All software, plugins and files are installed and accessible. So we can now use CBDM tools. I'm not going to make, if I click on that, yep, it's all running. So that's how you get it. That's how you get it installed. That's the boring video out the way. Next video we'll move on to something interesting. Thanks for listening.